Hello everybody! If you did not know, today is Austin's birthday! Yay! So, today I'm going to make him some waffles. And make sure you're quiet, because he's asleep still. So, first we're going to take our waffle mix, which is from Whataburger, and we preheat our waffle iron. Check. Next, we will whisk together 1 egg. Oh, this will be a challenge. There she goes. Get all those crunchies out. Beautiful, beautiful. Now I need to wash my hands because that's cross-contamination. All clean. Now we're going to pour 1.5 cups of water in our bowl. Whoa. Next we'll do 1 tablespoon of vegetable oils. Where do you think they get vegetable oils from? Squeeze the vegetables, I guess. Kind of weird. Let's see. And now we're gonna put in the whisk. This will be a challenge. You ever heard we whisk you a Merry Christmas? How about we whisk you a happy birthday, Austin? Good enough. Put that on the side. Here's our mush for so far. Let's see, what's next? Oh, don't touch your face, coronavirus. Now we're going to pour in our Whataburger mix. And we're just going to do all of it. Eat. Oh no. Oh yeah. I'm going to have to buy some more. And now it says to fold it, but not like a t-shirt. You actually use a rubber spatula. And we fold it. Now we're going to put some butters on the waffle iron. Oh no. Butter on there. Get greased up. Ouch! Let's do a little more butter. Ouch! Now we're going to scoop our mixture into the waffle iron. Wowee. Oh, my hands are so slippery. The butter. Let's see. Oh, that's a nice even pour right there. Maybe next year I'll have the Texas style waffle. That'll be awesome. Just pouring. Make it nice and even. Oh, muy perfecto. And now, we close it. Now we wait. How's your quarantine experience? Mine's alright. Oh, looks like the waffle's ready. Wow, smoky dokey. Oh my goodness, I only oiled the bottom. Now it's stuck to the top. That's okay. I bet it's still delicious. We only had a minor discrepancy there. Looks pretty good all in all though. It's not like you can compare it to the other waffles. So we're gonna make it a little bit more tasty. We're gonna put some more butter on here. Lots of butter. I think Austin really likes butter. Except on popcorn, which is kind of weird. Other than that, I think he's pretty normal, but hard to say. A little more butter there. Oh, that is good. He's gonna love this. The best birthday surprise ever. Now that it's all buttered up, we're gonna do some strawberries because he loves strawberries. So, gotten some new ripe ones, fresh from our garden. I'm gonna do some cuts here. Oh, that's a good one. Wow, these are good cuts. Oh yeah, that's a slice. Oh, don't want that greenery in there. Oh, those are good. Let's try another. A little red juicy fella. Let's try again. Oh, there's butter everywhere. Ooh, yeah. That is enough, it looks like. Put it there. Put it there. Do you think he wants sprinkles? I think he wants sprinkles too. Pass me the jimmies. The jimmies have been passed. Oh, the butter is making them slippery too. Do a little. So slick. Got it. All right, do you think he wants a lot or a little? I'm gonna do however much comes out. How about that? Oh, a lot. For our final touch, we're gonna do syrup. Some people call it scissor. We're gonna use my favorite syrup. It's called Thick and Rich, just like my rapper name. Gonna open this baby up. That was tough getting it open, but here she goes, nice and even. Oops, a little messy. Looks beautiful nonetheless. I think Austin's really gonna enjoy this one. Come follow me, let's go surprise him with it. So I looked in our junk drawer for candles, but turns out we probably lost them. So I decided to use straws instead. I think he'll love it. Come on, let's go see him. Oh my gosh, his feet must be freezing. Happy birthday! Here's your breakfast waffle.
Oh wow, it looks beautiful.
Blow out the candles.
Thank you.